vlog. It is the freaking weekend. Happy Saturday. We are getting started with our day. I mean, our day has been started for a few hours now. I have just been chilling out this Saturday morning, reading, doing some, what was I doing? I am getting ready now because today we have plans that are a little bit up in the air, but I think they're not anymore. I don't really know. The weather has been a little chaotic in New York. If you've been following along, we had a hurricane last weekend, and then it was super hot this week, and now it's like raining off and on again. So we had initially planned to have this outdoor barbecue in the park today, but then the rain was looming, and then this morning it was kind of like on edge if it was gonna happen or not. And my friend said, okay, let's not do it because there's a flash flood warning. And then a couple hours later, she was like, okay, actually it's starting to clear up because the forecast just keeps changing. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna talk about the weather for too long. But basically I wasn't sure what we'd be doing because either we were gonna have this barbecue outside and they'd already bought food for it and everything, or we were going to just go to like a beer garden kind of thing and hang out and drink and whatever. I think it's on now because now it's at 1 p.m. It's 11:30 now and it hasn't really rained this morning at all. And it's just really cloudy, but I think the forecast doesn't say it's supposed to rain anymore until the evening. So I think it's on. I already did bake brownies for the occasion because I said I would bring a baked good. So if you watched my weekly vlog, last week I did gluten-free brownies, and I'm glad that the barbecue is happening because I don't want them to sit in my apartment because then I'll be tempted to eat them and have a sugar overload. That's what's happening. I really don't know what else is on the books. We'll probably just spend the day hanging out after that and maybe go out to a couple bars or something after the barbecue in the area and just hang out with some friends. And yeah, it's kind of like an end of summer thing, which is crazy because next weekend is Labor Day weekend, and I'm not even going to be here for Labor Day weekend because I'm going to Nashville next weekend, which I'm so excited about. I'm not sure if I've talked about this. It should be really fun, but basically this is like my last summer weekend in New York. But again, like as an adult, summer's like not really constricted by the school calendar. Like Labor Day is when summer usually ends because like schools go back after that. At least mine did when I was younger. And I don't know, that's like when you're not supposed to wear white anymore and stuff. Really, it's still like hot here for a while after that, like into early October. It doesn't really cool down. Technically, the season doesn't change until like the 3rd week of September or something. So it's really not a big deal, but I'm just saying symbolically, it feels like the end of summer. So we're living it up with a barbecue. Anyway, that's what I'm getting ready for now. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna wear. Should probably bring an umbrella just in case. Like we're gonna be prepared for everything, I suppose. I haven't put makeup on, eye makeup, since I got my eyelashes tinted or kind of and lifted on Wednesday, and I have not put makeup on them. So I'm curious to see how it's gonna go and like putting mascara on them. Honestly, don't even think I need to curl them because they're like, you know, lifted on a purpose to be curled, not naturally, but without makeup. I will show you when I eventually pick an outfit and I'm ready to go. All right, folks, it is still not raining. So we're getting ready to head out to the park, and I am wearing a romper because it is like still a little warm. It's a romper from Princess Polly. It's super comfy. It kind of looks like a dress just because of the flowy nature of it, but it is pretty short, so it's a romper. And it has like scrunchy waist. It's hard to tell the details because it's black, but shoulder situation, and I love it. So I have it in white too, but I'm wearing the black one with my denim jacket that I thrifted a couple years ago, Air Force Ones, and I'm bringing a claw clip to put my hair up just in case it does rain. Got my sunglasses that I probably won't even need. I have my brownies here ready to go. I just stick these in a bag. In case you missed the vlog where I baked the brownies, they're gluten-free and they're from this brand. It's a local one, Brooklyn Blackout Brownies. They're so good. Of course, I had one or two, and I would highly recommend. They didn't even taste like gluten-free. They taste like normal brownies. It just says contains soy as far as allergens. So anyway, okay, I'm bringing these and myself and an umbrella, and that's all we need. Lovely Saturday in McCarran Park. I'm in Williamsburg. All the stuff in the sweet cream bag.
You have it, but if somebody else wants it. Did you want to be on? Regular. Oh, regular.
Wow. Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. I am so tired. I have coffee here. I really didn't end up filming much yesterday, but that's because I was just out with my friends all day. As you saw, I went to the picnic at like 1:30 and got back here at like almost midnight. So basically, as I expected, I can't even speak. As I suspected, we ended up like just hanging out all day. So we went to the picnic. It was so fun. The food was so good also. Everyone brought such good dishes, and the boys actually grilled really well, and I was very impressed with everything. So, and my brownies were a hit, I gotta say. They were finished off by the time we left, so tea God. And it didn't even start raining. It did start like very lightly sprinkling, and that's when we decided to pack up, but we had plenty of time there, and that's probably like when we would have left anyway. And then we just went to my friend's apartment who lives nearby and hung out there for a few hours, and then we went to a bar called Spritzen House, which is in Williamsburg, and it's kind of like not beer garden because it's indoors, but like beer house vibes. I just came back here at like 11 and passed out, and yeah, so it was definitely a really fun day, but I didn't get much footage of it. So now it's Sunday. I have no plans, so this is another me day. I love when this happens, and it's not raining today, so instead of hanging out here, I think I'm gonna go into the city somewhere. I don't even know where I want to go yet, honestly. I'm gonna look at my list of saved places. What I started doing, especially like watching New York TikToks, is like gathering places that I want to go and just saving them on Google Maps, as there's literally like a flag feature you can do that says like want to go here. So I might try and hit some of those spots since I have some free time today. Yeah, I really don't have to like do anything particular. Like we already finished the podcast for the week, so I don't have to record for that. I don't really need to do anything. Maybe I'll do some grocery shopping later. We'll see. My face is probably so puffy that this gua sha is gonna do nothing. I'm gonna get ready, eat something, and go somewhere. Everything's up in the air, but we're all about the adventure today. So doing another dress and oversized jacket moment. Today I'm wearing this like t-shirt dress. It's actually a men's t-shirt from Urban. It's white jacket over it that I got from Nuuly. The brand is Pistola. I'm wearing my Air Force Ones again, and it's not even hot out today at all. It's like 70 degrees, well, a little warmer than that, mid 70s. I always kind of like look out my window to see what people are wearing on the streets, and I feel like this is a good balance of bare legs because it's not cold, but jacket, I can tie this around my waist if it gets hot, but I don't think it's going to today. It's good. I think I'm actually gonna go back up to the Upper West Side. You might remember last weekend I went up and got brunch with Michelle and Arlene up there because that's where they live, and the whole intention of that trip was I wanted to go to this gluten-free bakery called Modern Bread and Bagel, and it was closed on Saturdays, but it's open today, so I think I'm gonna go check it out, maybe get like a gluten-free pastry, get some coffee, walk around. I might go to Central Park again. I don't know, just want to exist in New York today, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll see where we end up after that. My hair is like half up because it's a little greasy. I'll probably come back and get a workout in this evening and wash it, but for now this is good. I'm also using the little clippies that I got. Oh god, the back of my hair is probably so bad. I'm getting it done next weekend. I'm finally touching up the color, but the little clear clips I use to pin it half up, and I'm trying to wear white before Labor Day next weekend. They didn't have croissants, so I just got an everything bagel with avocado on it, and I think it'll be delicious regardless. Yum. Gluten-free. Found a better spot with some live music. Okay, I've been home for a few hours now. Actually, it is getting dark outside and I'm about to go down and get a workout in. I definitely want to do some like jogging, I think, and maybe some abs. I'm not sure if I'm gonna lift much, but we'll see what I'm feeling, honestly. I'm just gonna go with the flow at the gym. And yeah, I'm wearing all pink Fabletics, and I'm reading this book for the book club I'm doing with my friends. We last read Attached, which was my pick, and this time one of my friends picked this book. It's called Not Happy Family. It's like one of those, it's just really not my style of book. Like, it's an easy read, but it's like a rich family murder mystery kind of story, and I've just never really been into those kind of books, but I know a lot of people love them. I just like don't like relate at all. I don't know, like, what was that one that everyone loved? Oh, The Last Mrs. Parrish. Like, everyone was obsessed with that book, and it's just like not my vibe really. But if that is your vibe, you'd probably like this one. I am a quarter of the way into it, and they're just starting to get through the backstory and like into the thick of it. So that's what I've been working on today. I was actually reading this in the park and on the train too, so I just started it today. But yep, so that's what I'm reading, and now I'm gonna head down, get a workout in, then come back, make dinner. I also stopped at Whole Foods just to pick up, I was out of oat milk, and I got some salmon to make tonight, and I'm actually going out of town on Friday, so I only have 4 days here, and I might like be going and getting dinner out some of the days this week, so I didn't want to do a full grocery shop, so I'm just gonna do that when I get back from Nashville next weekend. So let's just get some sweat in. Honestly, I walked a lot today, and I'm only 100 calories away from my move goal on my Apple Watch, but I'm just gonna go and work out until I feel done and then call it a day, wash my hair, and get on with my evening. Nighttime, it's beautiful nighttime views, and I'm getting ready to go to bed, so I thought I'd wrap up this weekend vlog. Thanks so much for watching. I know it was probably on the short side just because I only vlogged Saturday and Sunday and didn't get like tons of footage, but regardless, I hope you enjoyed joining me for the weekend. Subscribe if you're not already. Love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next vlog, and yeah, can't believe that this is the beginning of September now. And looking ahead at my calendar, September is going to be insane. So stay tuned, lots to look forward to, and I will see you next time. Bye.